Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Telegram. If you're done using your Telegram and you'd like to sign out of your account, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Telegram application from the app drawer. Once you're in, from the home screen of Telegram, go to the hamburger icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Once you do that, an expanded menu should appear. Tap on the settings button from the menu displayed on the screen. On the next page, go and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Logout, and at the bottom of the page, tap on Logout one more time. From the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on Logout. After you do that, you'll be logged out of your Telegram account. If you'd like to start using it again, you'll need to log in by tapping on Start Messaging. Type in your phone number into the text box. Make sure to type in the valid phone number, and after you're done, tap on the next button in blue. Go check your Telegram messages and you'll receive a code sent to your Telegram app on your other device. If you'd like to log in with the SMS code, tap on Send the code as an SMS option. Wait until you receive the code on your mobile number. Once you receive it, type it in into the text field. Wait for a few seconds, and there you are back on your Telegram, logged in, quick and easy. That is how you'll be able to sign out of your Telegram account if you're done using it for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.